Ready to put it in? Make sure it's clean. Okay. Just slice right back like it's supposed to be. So we're gonna use a little bit tip to secure it because there's no rubber boot. Basically, it was mounted by rubber boot, holding by rubber boot clips here. Okay. Perfect. A couple tips to secure the wire on each end. Okay. Make sure it's clean. Okay. Put back the chassis. Where's my chassis? It's right here. All right. We're gonna put that this side first. Okay. Oops. Make sure it sticks all the way in. Yeah. Make sure it's inside all the way in. So when you push down the clip, you can feel a little bit pressure. That means they're in. All right. So put it back here. I'm gonna take out the wire here. Take the wire here. All right. You put back 2 screws on this side. Align with just 2 holes. Perfect. Now we put back this touchscreen ribbon cable. Now let's mount the inverters. Because drivers, it comes with the wire adapter. So basically you just disconnect this end, connect to here, then mount it. Show you. Take this one out. Oops. We may not need, we only probably need 1 screws and then use adhesive pole. Oh, this one has 3 screws. Okay. So let's say, let me take out this one. We're going to keep this one. Yeah, I think so. We're going to keep this one. It's good. This height is higher than this screw. That's good. Or you can just add a piece of tape just in case. Just in case it shorts out. But just in case. Okay. Go. All right, it's done. So connect this end to here, and let this end here. Perfect. Everything's there. Install. Connect. All right. Now we just put it back the screws. So I just put back feel. So you see it. No soldering involved. So if you have this model, this kit going to be perfect. And also if you have different model, The only difference could be just the wire adapter inverters, you know. So if you buy the universal one, then you know, just call us back. If you need some help, we can help you how to identify the wires. And that's it. Thank you for watching.